Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Amazon how to add Visa gift card. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. The first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Amazon app, and once you're inside your Amazon app, here on the bottom bar you'll be seeing 4 icons. Simply tap on the profile icon right next to the home icon. And once you're inside here, on the top bar you'll be seeing 4 options, that is your orders, buy again, your account and your list. Simply tap on your account, and once you're inside your account, here scroll down under payments, you'll be seeing an option that says manage gift card balance. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, here you'll be seeing option that says redeem another gift card, reload your balance, your auto reload setting at cash. Now simply tap on redeem another gift card, and now all you gotta do is just simply scan your Visa gift card code or just enter in the Visa gift card code. And once you have entered it, simply tap on apply to your balance, and then the amount will be applied to your balance. And that's basically how you can add Visa gift card. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.